Alright, so we're here with Mona High School Technical Director Craig Butler. First of all, Coach, talk to me about the game. Summarize it for me. How was today?
Well, a tough game. I think that we watched the first 10-15 minutes of St. Catherine. They came very physical, and we watched the game. We came to play football, and they didn't come to play football. They came to get physical, and it's okay, you know. But then we can turn it up too. So we just turn it up a notch.
Coach, did you turn it up a bit too much? You know, when your players getting a red card in this game, did you bite their bait?
Well, what's the score?
It's a 2-1. You won the game. But I'm just saying, if you guys overindulged in their bait today.
No. We played football. We played hard. We played good football. I wasn't telling my players ever to play dirty. What I'm saying is we changed the game. We had Alex Mexican playing in the 6th role, and he's really just a playmaker, yeah, and he can tackle, but he's not the biggest guy on the planet, right? And when they started to get physical and so on, we just had to make the change. We put Portion to 6, and we brought on the monster Marlon, and we had a back line with 4 6-footers, midfielder with 2 6-footers, and then we added to that by bringing on Longbridge Finan, and he was able to also add to that part of the game. I think the leadership from Dante and Robinho Garden today was super outstanding. Our goalkeeper was excellent. Very proud of all of them, and the work rate of Demo was also very good. Very, very good work rate of the players, and the transition game, and of course the best number 10 in the country, baby. Denzel Washington McKenzie.
Coach, some whispers going around that the ref had an awful game today. We thought he was okay. He had a good game from the St. Catherine side.
Well,
he's not getting praises. How do you feel about it?
I wasn't giving him praises either. You know, I mean, it's very difficult being a referee, you know, because he made some really bad calls against me too. And he made some against them. I wasn't happy, but at the same time, you should respect the referee no matter what, you know. Should respect the referee. Sometimes cursing at the referee and telling him all sort of nastiness is not really the way to go. And in all honesty, I do not think referees go out there to be bad. They're not trying to make mistakes. It's what they see and what they believe in. You know, it's easy to say that being on the winning side, but had we lost today, some of the calls he made, I'd have been probably screaming too, because I was very unhappy with him.
The man that ultimately won the game for you, Denzel Washington McKenzie, outstanding man. Speak to us about his leadership in this game. We saw him going to centre back after you guys, you know, went down to 10 men. I know that you had something to do with that. But just overall, a really good game, composed. Speak to me about his performance.
Well, as I said, he has developed tremendously as a number 10, as a leader. You know, when you build a player, that's what you do. He started out as a central defender, went to as a number 6, went back to a left back, and we built him into a 10. His creativity, his vision, his tackling ability, his mobility skills, his vision, as I said, is super. And taking him to Europe also helped to open his eyes more and to play against teams where they're challenging him. So I'm very proud of him, and I'm very proud of the team. You know, without him, I'm proud of the team that's around him. We have a physio that's around them every day. New physio, very good guy, Mr. Jacobs, and the team managers that are there, the assistant coach that I have, very good, Dane Peralto, and the squad, Byron Nunes, all of them are doing really well, and the coaching squad is excellent. I'm really happy with them, and I'm happy with the principal who has come out in his jersey today. I think he stole one from us. I need to find out where he got that one from. But he was super. He's super. He's always there with us, fighting through with us on the bench, supported us. This is how our principal should be. You know, no ego, just there for you, you know? The part of the thing, and if him could get a gears, he would run on to, you know? So I'm really happy to have him, and I'm happy for the teachers, Ms. Griffiths, all of those who are here supporting us, our past players. Matthew Hibbert is back from Europe, and he's here giving support, you know, and it's great. It's great to see all of them.
All right, there you have it from the winning coach. Love the trim, coach.
Yeah, Rathgar Loughbrook.
There you have it, people.
Yeah, you hear that? No,
what inspired it? Talk to me about the trim.
You don't understand?
No, I don't get the movie references. So you probably have to talk to Joe Mar.
Valhalla.
I'm still don't know where I talk. You know what I talk about?
I will wait on my sons and rule in Valhalla. Eh? Yeah?
People, talk about the trip. There we have it.